Municipalities across the Netherlands are working towards making their cities smart. But to ensure a smooth growth, they need to leverage how to digitally connect their departments to their citizens through new technologies. So many municipalities have started utilizing the power of digital twins. However, right now, these digital twins are scattered and not used to their full potential. For Sonarski, we developed an interactive platform that hosts and visualizes all digital twins and other similar assets of different projects within municipalities, focusing on predictive maintenance needs. This sounds like a lot, so let us show you. A key feature of any knowledge management system is its contents approach, which encourages saving for later. This is also the perspective we took with digital twins in our concept, so that we can host and visualize all the digital twins that are currently scattered around different municipality departments and stored in different computers. This adds a huge value to the maintenance needs of municipalities. Users are able to effortlessly inspect and use digital twins, compare them to previously scanned twins, leave comments in them, and store everything in one place. It also increases the usability possibilities of this technology. As cities keep growing and technology keeps evolving, our platform strives for a more coordinated and easier to access solution. The result? Bridging a gap between digital twin workflows and collaboration needs.